How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have an F150 or any F-Series pickup? And one of the door Ajar lights has come on, as well as your dome light staying on, even though the door is obviously closed. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very common failure point that I've come across multiple times. It's a problem that you can find yourself and fix yourself and save yourself a trip to the dealer and save yourself a ton of money. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. Now, naturally, the first place people think of looking for the problem is in the door latch and the door switch, right? Well, in my experience, I'd say that's wrong. Where I usually look for the problem is in the harness and the door jamb, going from the cab into the door. When you think about it, every time this door opens and closes, that harness is flexing, pulling, contracting, and bending. It's under a great deal of stress. Now, opening this up is very easy. You don't have to cut anything. Let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is just grab this rubber boot and pull that rubber boot off. Now, work that back. You can see someone's already been in here. Good example. You can see where some wires have been repaired here. Usually what happens is, you look how thin these wires are. With all that bending, they get brittle and they break. Now, using butt connectors like this guy did, that's not exactly the proper repair, but in a pinch, it'll do. It'll shut your dome light off and take care of that door ajar warning. Proper fix is actually replace this harness. It's not too hard to do. You have a connector right here, and to get at that, all you do is press these little tabs. You'll have one on each side to release this plastic housing. And once you get that out, you can see at the bottom of this white connector, there's that little tab. You just simply press that in and separate the two halves of your harness. So once you press the tab in, the harness will undo. So now you have a choice to make. Do you want to just use butt connectors and temporarily fix it up and hope it holds? Or do you want to pull the door panel off, get in behind, and replace this entire harness? You can see that's a connector. That's the boot in between the door jamb and the door. And all those connectors are for power windows, door locks, stuff like that. Now, if you have multiple broken wires, don't stress out. All the wires you can see are different colors. So you just go like to like, butt connect them together, and you should be fine. Also, while you're in there, give each wires another bend, because you don't know which one's ready to break. Just shows that some problems you don't need fancy test equipment or meters or scan tools to find the problem. Like this one, all I needed is my eyes, my hands, maybe a flashlight. Now, whenever you suspect broken wires, stuff like that, or shorted wires, I usually look for areas where the harness is bending, something like this, because most of the time, if a wire is going to fail, it's going to be in a situation like that. So if you decide to replace this harness rather than repair it, hit that subscribe button. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to order this harness, and I'm going to do another video in the future of how to take the door panel off and replace all that yourself. So once you fix your wiring or replace your harness, you want to take this rubber boot, put it back over this black housing, just like so. That way you don't get water getting into the body and causing rust, and it keeps the connector all nice and clean and dry. And then push your two ends of the connectors together until you hear it click, and then you just push the housing back into the body, and you're ready to go. And now, turn your key on, And you've got no door ajar warning light on. And your dome light's off. That way you don't have to worry about your battery going dead. Hope you found this video helpful, entertaining, and informative. And I hope it definitely saves someone some money by not having to go to the dealer, and you can fix it yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.